Flash flood warning has been issued for Bastrop and Travis counties until 6 p.m. including the Austin Metro. Heavy rainfall rates of 1 to 3 inches per hour are occurring. Flash flood watch will be in effect along with the potential for severe storms, wind gusts 58+ miles per hour, large hail, isolated tornadoes. Heavy rain moving across portions of the Hill Country, through Travis and Williamson counties, including the Austin Metro and into the coastal plains. Any flash flood warnings remain in effect. Avoid flooded roads. Flash flood warning also remains in effect for Hays and Caldwell counties. Flash flood warning has been issued. This line of storms is moving east slowly and is capable of bringing an additional 2 inches of rain to already soaked San Antonio. Stay home if you can and avoid low water crossings. Please stay off the roads in these areas if you can.